Hello everyone, welcome to another session. This is Mithun. We are going to create a new free tier AWS account. So let's go ahead and create a new free tier account. Let me log into a Google search. Okay, I'm in the google.com page. So here we are going to search for AWS free tier. Okay, just click on yes. Now we have the first link, Amazon Web Services, get a free tier account. That's the link that we have to click and open. So once we open up this link, we get an option to sign in or complete sign up. So we have to click on complete sign up. Before that, we will see that AWS free tier account. Startup may be eligible for a free AWS credit. So AWS provides different free tier options, that is free trials. Then we have something called as 12 months of free, then always free. There are different options on different platforms. They provide a free tier. For example, if you are using an EC2 instance, that is 750 hours per month, that is around 12 months of free. And if you are using an Amazon S3 server, that is 5 GB of storage is free. And if you are using RDS, that is 750 hours is free. And if we are going with Amazon DynamoDB, it is 25 GB of data is free storage. And in Lambda, AWS Lambda, that's a new feature which has been given by the AWS, which is a 1 million requests is free on that. And also on Amazon SageMaker, that is around for 2 months is free. So whenever we are trying to use any resources in AWS, make sure that if you're using the free tier, we should not be exhausted from the free tier account. So let's go ahead and click on complete sign up. So when we have the complete sign up, it will ask for an email address. So I'm just typing a new email address here. So that will be ruzivo edu dot clt at gmail.com. Okay, and I'll just click on next. Okay, it's trying to, there's a page which is trying to access. So let's go to the previous page. So here we have complete sign up. Okay, let's see if we are free tier, AWS free tier. So let's click on that option and see what are the other options available. See, create a free tier account. Okay. Now it is asking for a root username email address. So I'm using email address ruzivo edu .clt at gmail.com, and the name of the account, I'll type it as ruzivo. Suppose you're using your email address, make sure that you type in your Gmail email address and a account name. And now if you click on verify your email address, there will be a verification code which would be sent to your email address. So I'm just taking that information and updating it here. Just a moment. So I'm just taking it from my phone here. So it is 030885. So that's the email they have, verification code they have sent, and they have given me a option to type in a password. So I'm just giving a standard password. So it should have alphanumeric and an uppercase. So we have 1 to 5 steps. Just click on continue. So we have started with the step 1. So I say save, so that we can use it. So always free and 12 months. So it will ask me for other information that I need to mention here. So I would say, if business for your work, school, or organization, how do you plan to use? So I would say that it is for my personal use, and I'll type in my name. So I'll type in my name, and I would say my phone number. So it will be from India. So that means it's a +91, and region, that would be India. And I'll be typing my phone number, and also I'm typing my address here. So the address right now I'm working on with Calicut, that is 2nd floor, that is Cheroti Road. That's address. I'll be filling all these details. I'll just type KOZHIKODE, Kozhikode, and it's in Kerala. And I'm going to update the pin code. So once I update that information, I have to click on agree. So the pin code that I will be updating these details. I'll just take a pause here now. I'll update and click on continue and get back to you after filling these details. All right, so we have updated those preliminary information, and now we will say that the credit card details we should update your credit card or debit card details. So I will be updating my credit card or the debit card details here. So you have to make sure expiration date, year, card holder name, CVV, and if you using any PAN account details, that you can mention that. And once you update all this information, and just need to click on the verify and continue option. So I will update all this information, and I will pause this video for a moment and we'll get back to you. All right, so we have updated other credit card and debit card details, and it is already taken up the details. And now we have an option which says sign up for your AWS, confirm your identity. So I have updated my India number. So I'm going to type my 91, and I'm going to update my number here. So the number would be, so you can go ahead and update your personal number. That would be used to verify your credentials. And I'm gonna update security check, that is CAF C2C, and I would say click on send SMS. Oh, that was 877BSR. Okay, I've received a verification code in a couple of minutes. I need to update that verification code. I'm just quickly going through my phone. So I have 8378, and I'll just click on continue, and the last and the final step. So I have selected for the we have option basic support, that is a free support. So we should make sure that we will select the basic support, and if you select any of these options, it's going to cost us. So I will select that basic support here. Suppose you're working for a company, then you should, if you require advanced support from your AWS team, then can select the developer support. or for a business enterprises level, then it would be $100 per month. So we would select the basic support, that is a free of cost, and click on complete sign up. So once we click on complete sign up, we have have an option to go to AWS Management Console and sign into your sign into console. That's the button that we're going to select, and this time it will ask us for the email address. We will be logging as a root user, so I will type RUCIVO Rucivo edu.clt@gmail.com, and I will be updating my password. So here it's asking for the first time when I'm trying to do, it's asking for a security check. So, and I'm updating my password. So when I update this information, I would be able to log in to my, so let me save this one here on my computer. So this is the first screen that we will see when we create an AWS account. And when we get done, so here we have an option that is Rucivo, and it is the location that is select, the region that is by automatically it was selected, that is for Tokyo. So I will select Mumbai region since we are located in India, and it will be a plain screen. We will also see these information, which is the services provided by AWS. And the first thing we will see when we log into our AWS is, the first thing is a billing. So if in case if we have opened any of the services by mistake, it will be updating those information, and they would be adding their charges. So make sure that your billing section is in the right order. That means should be always be 0. So you would see in summary we have no billing, no data, since we have just created one, and we can search from here EC2. So that means we will be able to connect to our EC2 instances. So that's all for today's session. We are able to create a AWS account, and we are successfully able to log in to our AWS account. So since we are trying to open up a new account and try to connect your EC2, so the sign-in process should be completed, and it will be verified by a AWS sign-up team. So we just have to wait for that to happen. Okay, till then you can just access your main portal, that is your console. Once the verification is done, then you will be able to use your EC2 instances for your practical section. And thank you for watching this video, and you all have a great day ahead, and bye for now.